Shandong province in China began to experience the first large-scale heavy rain this year. From noon on June 26, 2022, heavy rainfall occurred in some areas included Qingdao, Weifan and Liucheng. In Qingdao City, Meteorological Observatory upgraded the orange rainstorm warning signal to a red rainstorm warning signal. During the rainstorm, road surface flooding occurred in Jima District, Lichang District, Changyang District and other places in Qingdao. According to local media, the sudden heavy rainfall caused water to accumulate on the road, and the water was waist-high in the worst case. Due to the severe flooding on the road, a large number of cars floated in the water, and the traffic was paralyzed for a time. Most of the trains at Qingdao North Station were also delayed. At present, more than 100 millimeters of precipitation has occurred in parts of Qingdao, Pingdu, Zhouzhou, Jima, and Changyang. The Meteorological Department expects that the rainfall will continue until June 29 before there will be a significant stop. The authorities suggested that residents should minimize going out on heavy rainy days.